Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at sa ikalawang bahagi, part 2 ng inyong tutorials on making Scratch animations, this time using Scratch 3. Ngayon, tayo naman ay mag-aaral kung paano makagawa ng magandang kwento, paano gumawa ng voiceover, paano gumawa ng magandang background. Kung gumagamit ka ng Scratch 2, ang interface ay halos pareho lang ng Scratch 3. At gagawan ko rin yan ng tutorial sa hindi tatagal. Now, to start with your animation, you don't begin with the animation immediately. You begin with, of course, you begin with a good story. Paano tayo gagawa ng magandang kwento? Isusulat natin yung kwento. Kaya nga, sa inyong preparatory activity, pinagawa ko kayo ng recruitment brochure gamit ang Google Docs. At paano nyo gagawin to? Mag-click lang dito sa blank. At gagawa na yan ng bagong document. By the way, ang document na to ay pwede nyo ring i-share sa inyong mga kaklase. Like, ito ay aking script. Okay. In PT or AP, CL, Filipino, and Comp 7. Ayun. And ang pangalan ko ay si, example lang yan. Just an example. I can share it with my friends. Alright. Ulitin natin. Click natin yung share kasi na-click yung iba. I can share it with my friends like Geoffrey Canseco. I can share it with my friends like sino pa? Sino pa mga friends natin dito? Tama na rin natin si Mr. J. Drule. Ayun. And others. And sabihin ko, hi classmates. Ito na ang ginawa kong script for my PT. Boom. Okay. Wag nyong gayahin ha. Okay, there you go. And send it to those people. Teka, bibigay ko ba? Sige, sample lang yan. Okay. So, halimbawa lang. Teka, anong requirement? Kailangan nasa Filipino. You have to use Filipino language. Number 2, kailangan nagpapakita ng heritage or pamanang lugar sa Pilipinas. Number 3, it has to be like a news. And number 4, it has to show values. Anong values? Pagiging isang mabuting manlalakbay. Okay, a good traveler or a good tourist. So, ito yung mga requirements. Kailangan alam mo. And of course, in computer, you will need to have good sprites. Okay, you need to have good sprites, a good background, at dapat animated. Okay, kompleto at original. Okay. So, ito yung mga requirement. Now, let's get down and do our script. So, sa part 1, ang gusto ko na i-introduce ko muna kung saan ako pupunta. So, I want to make sure na yung background ko ay DBTC, nasa school. Pagkatapos, magpapakita ako ng eroplano. Okay. Okay, background, DBTC. Then, I will show the airplane. Okay, but show myself first. Show myself. Then, and then talk going to Bataha. And then, after that, so part 1 pa lang to ha. Letter B, letter C, eroplano. And after that, mag-change background na. And now, we proceed to chapter 2. Ayun, chapter 2 na. So may mga chapter. Chapter 1, chapters chapter 1, ang background ay DBTC. Then, maglalabas ako and show myself talk about going to Tubataha, lalabas yung eroplano, and then mag-change ang background. And that becomes my chapter 2. Sa chapter 2, anong background ang lalabas? Number 1, ang Tubataha, yung background. Underwater ang background. There you go. And then, letter B, sabihin ko kung anong maganda dito. I will come out again, show myself. I have to show myself, and I will talk about how important Tubataha is. Okay, letter C, I will talk about making sure it is clean. Stop throwing trash in the sea and no plastics. Ayun. That's it. And then, letter D, end of the story. Tapos na. So, I only have 2 chapters. Dalawa lang ang chapters ng story ko. Sir, hindi mo pa na-save ang script mo. Don't worry, it automatically saves itself. Wow! Kaya niya mag-save. At sir, kaya rin ba itong i-edit right now ng classmate namin? Alright, let's make it big. How to make it big? Ito.
Meron ka ng 11, i-highlight siya, sir. I-highlight mo, sir. Then, okay.
There you go.
Okay,
don't worry, Mr. Naigal. I will share this with you as well. Okay. Ayun, Christian Naigal. Automatic yan. You can see it on your screen. And I will send it to you. And Mr. Naigal, can you click on it right now? And can you correct my spelling? Can you correct my spelling? I got a wrong spelling here. Okay, I can see you. Your face is here. Everyone can see you that your face is here. Can you please change my spelling?
Oh yeah, throwing.
Yun! See? Wow! So that means we can work together at the same time. So class, you have a new tool here that you can use and share work with each other. And if your teacher requires you to send it to him or her in Microsoft Word, the only thing that you need to do is now click File and download Microsoft Word. So now you can work together, but do not copy each other's work. That is cheating, but you can now learn from each other and help each other using simple tools like this. We already know the chapters. So time to start doing it based on the chapters that I have shown you earlier. Remember, we created sprites last week. So we begin with the first one, which is flag, of course, when the flag is clicked. Gusto ko mag-e-enter siya na ang background ay, come on, come back here, ayun. I want him to enter na yung background is DBTC. May picture ba ako ng DBTC? Yes. So, instead of putting it as a backdrop, don't use the backdrop. Ang gamitin mo ay ang sprite. Because pag backdrop, hindi gumagalaw yung background. As a sprite, it will move. So, choose a sprite, upload sprite lang, and I can upload the picture of Don Bosco, which is right here. And it says it's importing. And ayun. So what do I do? Of course, you always begin with when the flag is clicked. Ganun talaga. You always begin with this. This is called chapter 1. When the flag is clicked, what do I want to do? Gusto ko na nasa background lang siya. So go to looks and put it in the background. Okay? Send it to the back. Alright, nasan ba yung send it to the back? Nandito yan, no? Go to the back layer. Ayun. Send it to the back na talaga. Go to back layer dahil background siya. Second, I want it to move. So, I want to make sure na this one is a big picture. So, set size to 200% or maybe 300%. Okay. Set the size to 300%. Let's test it. Ayun, napakalaki na. See, it's bigger. And I can even move it from here. So I can start from here, and then I can move it going here. So let's do this. All right. So I first move the picture to this direction, okay? And then I'll go to motion and drag and drop, go to X, 120, Y, negative 24. Sir, where did you get the number? Every time I move this, the number also move. Oh, look, oh, I move it like this. And take a look. The number is now negative 123.27, negative 27. So when I move the picture, this automatically changes its value. But you can also put the value manually. Next that I will do is to move the picture to the last part, which is this one. So I started from the beginning, I ended to the end, and I drag and drop here, glide, automatic, the value is already here, and I'll do it maybe for 15 seconds para mabagal lang yung movement. So take a look. Ayun. See? It is moving. Now, it is moving. Okay, wonderful. Do I still need to walk? Yes, I can still walk. I can still walk from here going to here. Pwede pa rin. How do we do that? First, from this picture, the background, I went to my picture, to my character. And when the photo is clicked, first I want him to start here. And then go to motion and make sure that he goes to that place first. And then what you want to do is to make him walk to the other side. So you can do that by clicking, okay, motion, all right, and you can move him forward, control, wait for 1 second before moving 10 steps. And start. Yun! Every 1 second, nag-move siya ng 10 steps. So, maybe I can make him move around 20 steps. After moving here, he has to change his costume. Looks, switch costume 2. From costume 1, he should now be costume 2. And then, repeat the same process. Okay, duplicate. And then costume 3. And that's it. But first, he has to begin with costume 1. There you go. Let's test it. Whoa, he is now walking. All right. Let's make it 30. Oh. And then, duplicate tayo. Duplicate tayo. Ayun. Costume 2. Costume 3. Costume 2. Costume 3. All right. And let's play it. All right, he is walking. Okay, and now he's in the middle. That's a good one. Go to costume 1 after 1 more second. Wait for 1 more second, then switch to finally to costume 1 para straight siya and make him talk. Okay, how to make him talk? Of course, you go and say something. Okay, there you go. Say something for a longer period of time. Sabihin mo, magandang araw. Ako si... Okay, let's make it magandang araw. Ako si Ian. Okay, 2 seconds. That's 2 seconds. That's good enough. And then add another one. Okay, magandang araw. Ako si Ian. Pagkatapos niyan, dadalhin ko kayo o kayo sa isang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, and then that's 2 seconds. And then you can do another one. Dadaling ko kayo sa isang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Ang pangalan nito ay Tubataha Reef. Tara, sumakay tayo ng eroplano, N-A-N-G, ng wrong spelling, ng eroplano at pumunta na tayo doon. There you go. Hindi pwedeng 2 seconds. According to my timer, it's 4 seconds or maybe 5 seconds. So total number of seconds, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 seconds bago lalabas ang eroplano. So, after nito, magba-vanish ako. I will be invisible. And after 16 seconds, dadaan ang eroplano. Pwede na to, rocket ship. Ayan. Pwede na yan. So, ang gagawin ko, after 16 seconds, so, again, chapter 1 pa rin tayo, event, when the flag is clicked, teka sir, ba't nasaan na yung flag? That was there for my costume, that was there for the background, and of course, it was, and there's another one for the rocket ship. So this one should be around for, okay, should be around for 17 seconds or 18 seconds. Okay. And the rocket ship, wala pa. Sir, why 18 seconds? Because I'll make the rocket ship fly for 2 seconds. Ah, yun pala yun, sir. Okay. So when the flag is clicked, I'll start here and make it fly to Tubataha Reef. Okay. So, motion, go to, automatic na yan because I place it here already. The coordinates are there. Then, looks, I will show it. Up, wait for 16 seconds. Hide muna. Hide muna. And after 16 seconds, it has to be down here and it has to show. Ayun. So, hindi pala siya ganun lang kasimple. Nope, it's not that simple, but it's good. Hide, wait for 16 seconds, then go here and show up. After niya mag-show up, you want it to move upwards. So, i-move na natin siya upward. O, diba? Ayun. Alright. And glide for 2 seconds. Motion, glide for 2 seconds to these coordinates na preset na. And after that, pwede na siyang mag-hide. Okay. Pwede na siyang mag-hide. May missing pa. Ang missing is background music. Background music. Sige. Pwede natin gamitin ng backdrops for the background music that will play forever. Finally, may gamit na rin ang backdrop. So where is that? At the stage. You click on backdrops, wala pa siyang code, wala ring backdrop dito, but we can use the sound. In the sound tab, let's select one sound from here. Choose a sound. I'll go for the loops para forever na lang. And I can use something like, how about this one? This one is a good one. Select. And it's too loud. Gentlemen, loud siya, oh. Pwede ko siyang i-highlight. And make it softer. There. Tamang-tamang background lang. Okay, tamang-tama lang yung background niya. Okay, so let's use this music by putting the code na when you click the flag, once you click the flag, forever na siyang magpa-play. Click Control, get the forever loop, and play that sound. Click that sound, play the dance sitar until it's done, but it will go back and play again and again until the end of time. Let's try this. And go! Alright! There he is. Magandang araw, ako si Ian. Dadalhin ko kayo sa isang lugar sa Pilipinas. Ang pangalan nito ay Tubataha Reef. Tara, sumakay tayo ng eroplano at pumanta tayo doon. There you go. Sobra siyang mabilis. Magandang araw, ako si Ian. Make it 3 seconds. Dadalhin ko kayo sa isang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Let's make it 4 seconds. Ang pangalan nito ay Tubataha Reef. Pangalan, okay. Let's make it 3 seconds. Tara, sumakay tayo ng eroplano at pumunta na tayo doon. Okay, let's have it for 6 seconds. Okay, pwede pala, no? Let's make it smaller. Okay, and 6 seconds. 6, 9, 13, 16, 17, 18. 18 seconds na yan. 19, 20, 21 seconds. So, punta tayo sa photo. Okay, okay na yan. So, instead of 18, magiging 23 seconds na siya. 21 plus 2 because the 2 seconds would be from the rocket ship. So, wait for 21 seconds, then 2 seconds, 23 seconds, all in all for chapter 1. And after nito, okay, so pag chapter 1, eto. Now, natapos na yung chapter 1, we proceed to chapter 2. So how do you do chapter 2? You click on events, and then you go down here, and it says your broadcast message 1. You name that message as chapter 2. There you go. So what happens during chapter 2? This one should be invisible already. So when I receive chapter 2, I should hide na this picture because wala na tayo sa basketball court, nandun na tayo sa Tubataha Reef. When I receive chapter 2, hide. Okay. But di siya nag-show. Okay, show natin. Sorry. Dito yan. Okay. So now it's complete. Background will show. So rocket ship, naka-hide na yan. So it doesn't need to show anymore. Okay. So we can now proceed with chapter 2. So control events. When I receive chapter 2, now we are in the new chapter. Okay. So I can add another picture here. At yung picture na to ay picture of Tubataha Reef. Okay. The picture belongs to Tubataha Reef. There you go. Import. Same thing. Palakihin natin siya ng 300%. When I receive chapter 2, okay, dapat malaki siya, 300% siya. Okay. Dapat nasa background siya. You go here and go to the back layer. Now, na nandito na siya, I can now drag and drop, go to coordinates 120 and 3. So I begin with this one. Ang ganda, no? Tubataha Reef. And I can make it move. Okay, I can glide it to that new position, let's say in another 20 seconds. So it will look like that pag nakapunta ka na sa chapter 2. When the flag is clicked, chapter 1, dapat hindi pa siya visible. Hide muna siya. Okay, there you go. So dapat mag-show siya. Okay. Okay, there you go. Hide, show. And of course, para tama yung sequence, chapter 1, hide muna. Chapter 2, lagay muna yung picture and then show. Proper sequence, proper ordering. When I receive chapter 2, where do you want to show this guy? Okay, where do you want to show him? Okay, nasa ng show? Eto muna. Set him to the front. Okay, go to front layer and show. Ayun. I don't want him there. I want him to stand right here without walking. Okay, I just want him to stand here. So, dapat costume 1 lang. Where is costume 1? Then, show. And he's right here. I can use the motion to drag him there. See, now if I'm in chapter 2, there he is standing at the edge. And he can now start talking about Tuba Taha Reef. Simple lang, no? Simple lang, but it takes lots of hard work. Go. So, I guess, there you go. Dadalhin ko kayo sa isang lugar sa Pilipinas. Ang pangalan nito ay Tubataha Reef. Tara, sumakay tayo ng eroplano at pumunta tayo doon. And up it goes. And now he can start talking as we need it. All right? The rest, you can add already. So you know how to add the sound. If you need to speak, you can also add the sound. When the flag is clicked, you can put your voice by simply recording them. But we can discuss that at a later time. But by now, you can start submitting your work. Good luck and God bless.